Hi Shamima, how are you?
Great, Asif. What about you?
Good. Is it your new visa space?
Actually, not a new business. It was previous business just started with new strategy.
Okay. Tell me about it.
You already knew about Kusum Kanon which works with homemade products. There is only one shop in Bangladesh which is in Dhaka. We started our business on January 1st, 2017. We started our journey only with one product. At first, there were many difficulties, but with time, we overcome these difficulties and tried to continue our business with time.
Yeah, I know about it. What about your business strategies during this pandemic?
Basically, Kusum Kanun works with the homemade products like jamdani, muslin, weaver, jute products, wooden jewelry, etc. The company used some business strategy to continue. Before COVID, we follow this strategy: growth sales from new products, product differentiation, pricing strategy. But during COVID, we changes our strategy. We follow technological advancement, Facebook Live, online payment, and many more strategy.
Have you prepared your for this?
Of course, we did. Kusum Kanun is one of the most famous homemade products, especially for women and girls. It sells homemade sari as its main products in its marketing mix. The company offers a lot of varieties products for women and girls at a cheaper rate. These are Jamdani shari, muslin shari, weaver shari, jute bag, jute jewelry, wooden jewelry, and many more. Homemade business makes a small profit. To help homemade products arrive at the very best pricing strategy, plenty of research on sari and jewelry prices and the fluctuations they endure, how competitors are pricing their own products. We have products from lower budget to higher budget. We have only one outlet in Bangladesh which is in Dhaka city. It was good before pandemic, but during pandemic we had to ship most of our products to our home. We are doing promotional activities to achieve our target market and gaining competitive advantages. Television, sales and promotion for our products as like discount, premium offers, website and pages, social media presence, run contests and games on online, regular emails, and many more.
That is excellent. Did you analyze your source?
Yeah, we did. Allow me to explain you. The strength of Kusum Kanon are setting trends, end-to-end control, right distribution strategy. But the weakness of Kusum Kanon are excessive focus on jewelry, poor communication strategy. Company has resulted in reduced visibility for the brand with the result that other stronger brands have taken over. We have an opportunity that is changing customer preference. The main competitors of Kusum Kanon are KZ, Dhaka Shop, Medha Boutiques, etc. And these are our threats.
Impressive. What about your channel of distribution?
As a manufacturer for women and girls clothing, Kusum Kanon uses both direct and indirect channels for distributing the product, in which a lot has changes during COVID-19 pandemic. Before the pandemic, Kusum Kanon was more focused on its indirect channels, but nowadays lack of manpower for distribution has made distribution process harder. For that, Kusum Kanon uses multiple channels as well as hybrid channels for distributing their products. These are some channels by which Kusum Kanon distributes their goods. Producer to retailer to customer, e-commerce, sell by opening own shop, sell to wholesaler, sell through agent.
What about your transportation and warehousing?
At first, we used to produce our own products and bring these to our warehouse with our own transportation system. But during COVID 19, we had to make some changes. These are increasing budget and effort for new transportation and warehouse, washing and clearing products, labor safety and facilities due to COVID 19 virus, delivery goods for customer because of virus, online business cost and maintenance cost, increasing and buying extra vehicles for products delivery because each and every customer receiving their ordered products on online basis.
Tell me about your mission and what is your social message.
Our mission is to make Kusum Kanon best in the world in providing Bangladeshi lifestyle experience to empower people and promote Bangladesh while protecting our environment. From a customer focus, the main idea of having a social compliance department is to ensure that our customers can shop at Kusum Kanon with a clean conscience. A world free from all forms of exploitation and discrimination where everyone has the opportunity to realize their potential. In future, Kusum Kanon will supporting more than many villages by utilizing their artistic skills and helping them to earn for living. We would like to encourage everyone to use our homemade product that will be very helpful for our economy.